Let me show you guys one of the best ways to achieve or make money on Poppo live stream app. Let me show you guys one of the best way before I said what I want to say. So if we go to my reward, or per se we can just go to my invite so that we don't get ourselves confused. If you go to my invite, you will notice that right now I have, you can see here, my reward today I have 30,000 coins here that I'm supposed to receive. And this particular person that performed this task, that I'm receiving this reward currently, if you check now, this person is live streaming, right? Like this person is on a party. Yeah, this person is on a party. You can see her here on a party performing her tasks. It simply means that if Popo live stream is not profitable, I wouldn't be getting what I'm supposed to get here. Now, one of the sweetest way to make money on Popo is by what? Is by getting to invite people. You understand? There is nothing I do. No matter what I do, I put my invitation link. You can see that right now I have earned over $100 just from invites, which is this 1 million you're seeing. Every 10,000 coins is $1. You can see that I've earned over $100 just for invite. This one is just for invite. This one is not the money that I make here. You can see the number of invitees that I've invited. You guys know that it's not everybody that you invite is definitely going to do what he or she is supposed to do. And you can see that if you click on this rules here, you will see how this reward is being split. You understand? So right now, invite, host, and broadcast for 3 hours, 7 days, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. These are the three 30,000 coins that I've actually received just from invite. Now, if you're looking for side hustle to make money, and then you want to start at least cashing out, the least $100, the least $200, the least $50, the least $40, check out Popo live stream app. I keep saying it. The link is in the description. I'll leave all the link that you need in the description box. Honestly, Popo live stream app is a live stream app that you can live stream and make money. It is not only by live stream you're live streaming to make money. There are other rewards that you can actually do here for you to also make money. Not this invite, sorry. Other reward. If I click on my reward, you can see my reward for today. Every single day, Popo give you a reward for you to be able to perform. Now you can see my reward, daily life duration for 1,000 coins. I'll get 1,000 coins. You can see it here. PK mission 2,000, 3K PK mission win 2,000 coins. Just imagine just you just getting all of this reward every single day, getting all of this reward every single day. There is no way you are not going to be making something out of this. Now, the first thing I advise you to do after registration is you need to join an agency. I'll keep saying it. And the best agency I can ever recommend for you is King Richie's agency. All you need to do is to join King Richie's agency and tell King Richie's that you are coming from Vibe with Sonia. Here is King Richie's agency. All you need to do is for you to join the agency is click on this agents, this place you're seeing my agency here, click on it and then input this code that I'm showing you. And this guy is there to walk you hand in hand. This guy is there to show you everything you need. You understand? You can see this particular person too, this person that's joined. You can see that this is King Richie's agency. She's in King Richie's agency. You can see her performing her tasks here. You understand? The beautiful part I love about that guy is he is always there to show you exactly what you need to know on Popo. Now, another way you can make money on Popo live stream app that is very, very sure banker is this particular place, this treasure box that you're seeing counting. Now, once this treasure box is done counting from one till the end, what are you supposed to do? You just go ahead and click on receive so that you can receive coins. Now, any coins you're receiving from this treasure box, it is going to be accumulated in this place you're seeing this 550. Now, if it's accumulated in this place you're seeing 550, you can accumulate all of these coins and exchange that coins to money. It's as simple as ABCD. You understand? You can also play games and make money. If you check this my backpack here, I have a diamond 600 and I have chest stick too, and of which I can say in the comment section who have a diamond and a chest stick and want to exchange. I will exchange, and they will also exchange to me, and it will be added to the money that I'm going to use to withdraw. Now, how do I get this? How did I get this diamond? Is by playing games. Now, I don't want to click on this place you're seeing this golden flower, because if I click on it now, automatically Poppo will mute my life, or they will make it blur. You understand? Now, if you're playing games on Poppo as well, you can make money on Poppo live stream app. People are cashing out every single day. If I take you to my profile here now, you see a lot of people that are live streaming. You will see the beautiful part is that if you don't want to stay on your live stream, put your face there. What are you supposed to do? You go ahead to do what? To perform your tax. See people that are live streaming here, you can see them, a lot of people. You get? If I go to my FYP now, you can see a lot of people live streaming. It simply means if this is not profitable, you're not going to be doing what? We're not going to be bringing it out here. Now imagine you have a different live stream app, like six or seven, and every day, because we have apps that are exactly like Popo, that you can perform tax every single day, and every single day you perform tax from those apps. Just imagine you making just $1 from this app in 7 days. That's like what? $7 coming from each. You understand? Now, if you accumulate it together, it is going to bring something down to your table. I hope this video is able to help someone, because honestly, if you're not making money on YouTube here, this are time for you to take this platform serious and start making something out of it. You can see I can withdraw to my wallet if I want to withdraw. I can withdraw to my local bank account if I want to withdraw. You understand? And you can see how much they are exchanging for today. Per 10,000 coins, they are giving you $1, and of which $1 for today that Popo is giving is 1,490 naira. You get what I'm trying to say? So there are a lot of ways for you to be able to make money in this 2025. So don't just sit there, fold your arms, and be waiting for manners to fall from heaven. And I hope this video is able to help someone anyways. Guys, if you want to join and this is the first time you're hearing about Popo, check in the description box. My link will be there. Just click on the link. It will take you straight to where you're going to register. Register, you put your face there to do your face authentication. Go ahead to join this particular agency, because the agency is the one that can hold you hand by hand and show you everything you need to know on Popo King Rich's agency. Tell him you are from Sonia, and trust me, you're not going to be regretting this. You can see his ID here, 3970534, and thank me later. Start making money and thank me later. You can also see my ID here, 3422724, and also follow me on Popo. Let me know you're coming from YouTube, and yes, let's get it rolling. There are other ways that you can also make money from Popo, and I've been able to do different type of videos about these other ways, and I hope you check out most of my Popo live stream videos. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.